The benefit of being an EUSR partner is it gives customers that confidence that we are benchmarking against a status of what's required, so the industry know that certain standards are going to be obtained and met. So there's many different awarding bodies out there, CPCS, EUSR, MPAWS, and certain customers will prefer certain accredited bodies. So our standards are high anyway. We do our own internal quality assurance, things are well regulated, we have regular meetings and updates to look at things such as changes in the industry, regulations that might be differing, if there was any problems or troubleshooting they've had to come across. We kind of want to implement plans to always make sure that we're at the top of our game. The beauty of going alongside like with this one with the EUSR is it enables us to get that little tick in the box for people where they can say, yeah, these standards, this benchmarking is being met, and obviously give them further confidence in what we're doing. Knowing that a certain standards has been obtained. Sometimes with the manufacturer's course, in-house courses, there could be that lack of confidence of whether certain standards are being met. Once you get the bodies behind there, audits and different things, assessments that are being carried out, you do have that 100% confidence and knowledge that things are going to be obtained to a standard. If for any reason these are not being met, then as a training provider, we would be struck off and we would lose the status of this. Doing the MPAWS and the different things that we already do, we're well familiar with this. We've had, over the last 3 years, we've had regular audits and inspections, and the quality that we're offering has always been up there at the top.
I think it shows that VAC EX as a company is progressing, always looking at improving. Like I said, the manufacturer's course that we deliver is to our very high standard, as we've been taught that by Mike. But having this accreditation, EUSR, just proves to people that we are moving forward in the right direction with the backing of being EUSR approved, and it will provide good opportunities for other companies to look at getting that more advanced accreditation for their lads.
I mean, that EUSR accredited companies that are looking at think they know what they're doing. They're doing a proper accreditation with a ticket that's going to be known throughout other industries, known for they use on a regular basis, so they know our standards are high, our quality's there, and it makes me feel better myself knowing that I can deliver their standard of training that they expect.
I can have confidence that these operators have obtained these standards. So for example, with the VAC EX tracked excavator course, there's certain learning objectives, there's criteria, there's assessments that are done both practically and theoretically. As a site manager or as a company, if I'm looking and thinking somebody's got this, I know that they've obtained a standard which is going to enable them to be in a place to operate that machinery competently, efficiently.